how to rank higher on Amazon and crush your competition. All the information in this video. Keep on watching. How can you rank higher and make sure that your keywords are actually indexed? All this information and so much more in this video. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm an Amazon.ae seller and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. Should you start selling on Amazon during the coronavirus pandemic? The answer is, of course, yes. You know, online sales have been increasing at a rate of 25% per year worldwide. However, with the pandemic that we're going through and with people being at home, this has just increased exponentially. And things are not going to go back to normal. Definitely, this pandemic is going to end and this virus is hopefully going to end soon. However, things are not going to go back to normal because once you start relying on Amazon, once you start ordering your products online and you find that it's actually such an easy way to buy products, you're never going to go back to regular retail. So, if you were thinking of actually starting your online business this year and creating massive passive income, I think the right time is now, especially if you're sitting at home and you don't know what to do. Be productive, start your business. Why not just do it today, okay? One of the main reasons why people succeed on Amazon is keywords. Keywords are actually the way that people can find your product on Amazon. Let me explain. You have a great product, you sourced it from a fantastic supplier, you created an amazing listing, beautiful images, great text, all that stuff. You put it on Amazon, yet nobody's able to find it. If nobody's able to find it, nobody's gonna buy it. If nobody buys it, then you think you failed. So, let's talk about keywords and how you can index for these keywords. Let me move on to the computer. I'm on Amazon.ae. I'm gonna look for a certain product. It's gonna be a meal prep container. So I write in the search bar meal prep container, and this is a keyword. This is the word that a customer might use in order to find your product. So if a customer actually puts this word and they don't find your product, then they're not going to find it and they're not going to be able to purchase it, basically. So let's look at all the options and choose a product. Let's choose this one so we can talk about it further. So this looks like a good product. It has great imagery. It has a good title. Yes, it doesn't have any bullet points. I don't know why. And it probably doesn't even have it has a very small description. However, it's not bad. How do I know if this is your product? How do you know if it's actually indexed for the keywords that you worked so hard on finding and adding to your listing? Very easy. It has to be a manual. It's a manual system. So you get the ASIN number for the product. Copy that. And you go back to Amazon. You write in the ASIN number. And I've got all my keywords here. So I want to check if this product is indexed for these keywords. Let me choose any relevant keywords. Meal replacement shake is not relevant. Definitely this one, meal prep container, is very relevant. So I'll copy that as well and I'll add it next to the ASIN number. Click search and I get one result so check this out. So yes, this product that I'm selling, for example, that you're selling, it's not my product, that you're selling, is actually indexed for meal prep container. Let's find, okay, and you have to go through all your keywords to make sure that they are actually indexed. However, let's choose something that makes no sense for this product per se, so you know what it looks like. So I'm gonna leave the ASIN number and I'm gonna write makeup. Okay, and click search, and you'll see here no results for this ASIN number with makeup, meaning that this product is actually not, this product that you're selling is not indexed for the keyword makeup. If you go through all of your keywords and you write next to them true or false, true being yes, they are indexed, false meaning no, they're not indexed, what you need to do later on is you need to go back into your listing and try to sprinkle these keywords that you are not indexed for inside your listing. You need to go into the back end of your listing and add the keywords to your search terms. You need to also add those keywords into your title, into your bullet points, and into your description. So you need to sprinkle the keywords anywhere and everywhere so that you get indexed for these keywords, because a lot of people are using these search terms. You can't just rely on meal prep container. Maybe somebody is just using the word bento box, for example, as is written here. Maybe somebody else is using a microwavable box, for example. So you have to be indexed for multiple keywords, because you don't know all these millions of people logging into Amazon.ae every single month. You don't know the search term that they're actually using in order to find your product. And again, if they search for a product and they don't see your product, you're not going to get the sale. So you're going to think you're failing. You're going to think Amazon is not helping you out. It's all related to keywords, 1, 2, indexing. So if you got the right keywords, however, you're not indexing for these keywords because you haven't placed them in the right places where you should for your listing, it's basically, you're doomed, basically. So this is what you need to do. You go through them. Now, when you do sprinkle those keywords that you're not indexed for, so when you add them to your title, your bullet points, your description, and your back-end search terms, you need to wait around 2 to 3 hours and then try it again and see if you're indexing. If not, then you need to try something else. However, if you're not sure how to add keywords, how to word keywords, you can find my keyword system linked in the description box below. All you have to do is just click on it, download the file, and go through it and create a better listing and start selling better, or rather start selling like a master on Amazon.ae. If you found this video helpful, as always, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you with more information in another video. Bye for now.